Looking at DGP Tuesday. What do you guys think our simple subject is? Maverick just firing off. He's ready to go. You think that it is student. Simple subject is student. You would be correct. Okay. So once we have our simple subject, now we know that our simple subject isn't our complete subject. So we have to do our single underlining, right? What is going to be our complete subject then? Is there anything that modifies student? Jacob says each. Believe that he is right. So we're looking at each student being our complete subject. All right. So next comes our verb. I'll give you a hint with our verb that we have more than one direct object. So if we have a direct object, what do we think our verb should be, VI or VT? Which one, Bruce? VT. If we have a direct object, our verb is VT. And that's our simple predicate. So what's our verb, our simple predicate? What word is it? It is brought. Okay. We've got our simple predicate. What do we think our complete predicate is then? Connie, what do you think? Okay. What's the rest of the sentence then? Do we know what they've brought yet? So we've got to go a little bit farther with our complete predicate. Absolutely, Maverick. Spot on. It's really the rest of our sentence in this case because it's telling us what each student did in its entirety. So we'll get a double underline there. I know that you guys aren't able to see how I'm going through that on the board so that I can record it. So our direct objects, what did they brought? Book, paper, pencil. So what are we putting on top of book, paper, and pencil? DO. Good. So our direct objects are book, paper, and pencil. Okay. We've got a tab over class. Why do you think we have that? Remember on Monday, if we have a preposition, what do we always have on Tuesday? Bruce says prepositional phrase. Bruce is correct. So where are we going to put our first parentheses? Someone other than Bruce. Remember, it always includes our preposition and the word that it's connected to. What's that? To class. Very good, Mercedes. I promise you, Mercedes, you're starting to understand this and get it. Don't hesitate to give responses, okay? So since our prepositional phrase is to the class, what goes above class? YOP. Because it's the object of the preposition, okay? And I will tell you to is a direction. Directions almost always go with the verb. So do we have an adverb prepositional phrase or an adjective prepositional phrase? Bruce says adverb. Maverick actually literally checked out for a good solid 3 seconds there. I watched him go to a different planet. So when we modify a verb, like to class, when we change a direction or talk about direction, then we're modifying a verb. That's what makes it an adverb. An adjective would change something about a noun. Okay, just like our adjectives, each, a, those all change, those modify and make a noun more specific. Prepositional phrases can do the same thing. Okay, what's up, Connie?